Hi everyone, we are Artec. This is our new factory, and right here we have many things new, including the last time I told you I don't have time because I have to go home. And this time I have plenty time to show you this one, the WE-M4 open bolt system. The outside is similar with the breast tube system. Some details just like the same as the breast tube. But this time the chamber is modified and upgraded as the open bolt. And of course, I told you last time we still have another one, the HK416. This is open bolt system too. And if you take a close look right here, you will see the up receiver and the hand guard. Right here, this time they are matched perfect. They won't shake even you twist it. The bolt is the same as the M4, so you can switch them. There's no problem. They are compatible. And in the bottom of the handbrake, there's a plastic cap. You can store some little stuff like our MPAS adjust tools inside the screen. And of course, we still have another one. The CQBR. It is also an open bolt system. See? And of course, we have standard M4 CQBR. And you're asking a question, do we have a longer GBB rifle? Right here, the M16A3. It is also an open bolt system. So, on the table, there are 4 different open bolt system GBB. You can choose which one you like, and you can order it. The HK416 with .2 BB and green gas. 75. And now, we test the rate of fire in full auto mode. Now, we test the M4A1 with .2 BB and green gas. And then we test the rate of fire. Now, the M4 CQBR. And then the rate of fire. And now, the M16A3 with .2 BB and green gas. Now we test the FPS. This is M16A3 with .2 BB and green gas. And then the rate of fire. In front of me, on the table, there are 3 different open bolt system GBB. This is HK416, this is M16A1, and that's M4A1. And I collect all their open bolt. The bolt right here, actually, they are the same. See, where the length, the top, or the nozzle, they all look like the same. But will they compatible with each other? I choose the M16A1 and want to put all into this HK416 and M16A1 and M4. We want to test the compatible. The first one is HK416. And we also want to test will the 20 rounds magazine compatible with HK416. We test in full auto mode. Okay. No problem, it's compatible. And now, the same bolt. We put it inside the M16A1. We use 30 rounds on this in full auto mode. And then the M4. So the open bolt system, the bolt is compatible with other AR series or HK416. This is SCAR open bolt system with our steel bolt. And today I want to show you something special. Right here, the trigger set. This is the original trigger set. And right here, this is the original product. And now we provide you a new choice. This trigger compared with the original one. The first difference is the material. This is steel and this is not steel. Besides, look at the curve and the shape. It is different. We find some real stuff and take it as our sample. So we provide you a new choice that will make your SCAR similar as the real rival. This is our new product, and also including other 3 parts. So now you can have a more reliable trigger set. They are all made in steel. Some of our fans or our customers, they will ask me a question. That is, I already have a breast tube system GBB. Can I upgrade my breast tube system to open bolt? Yes, right here in front of me on the table. This is our open bolt kit. You can upgrade your breast tube system to open bolt. And this is for M4. Right here, you have a new hub up, new inner barrel, bolt, and the trigger set. Let me open the bag and you will see more clear. And inside this bag, there are a new bolt stop and the part for you to exchange your magazine. And another 2 parts. And inside this kit, there's a user manual inside. They will tell you what part and the name of the number of the part. This is for M4A1. Of course, then you ask me a question. Another one. I already have a breast tube system, but it is not M4, it's M16. So I'll tell you, of course, we have a M16 open bolt kit. And then you will say another question, how about CQBR? Of course, we do have a CQBR. And then for some players who live in Taiwan, they will ask me, there's another GBB called T91. It's our Army's rival. Do they also provide us another choice? Yes, right here, the T91 open bolt kit. So, don't worry about your breast tube system. You can upgrade them now. If you need all these kits or these parts or any product, you can visit the Airsoft Taiwan. You will get all these products. They are all available.